Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the Make Money Speedo channel. It's all about making money on YouTube and online, as well as giving you success tips that rich men knows that poor men don't, that makes them think differently and outstanding. And I'm going to be treating 1.3, that is in our course.
Okay, guys. These are some stuff that will help you when it comes to business and marketing, digital marketing. All right. Now let's check this one. Let's scroll back to the top so we can now learn. Get organized with a digital marketing plan. Now, doing YouTube is just digital marketing because you're selling stuff online. Whether you're selling your jokes so that people will stream and you make money, or you're selling your knowledge, whatever you're selling, and all those products you add are affiliated links. All right, get organized with a digital marketing plan. So let's continue. What is a digital marketing plan? How can a digital market plan help my business? How do I make sure my site is helping my digital marketing? Now, take example. Imagine Shivanga Studio is a salon known for choke cuts and coloring. They are in charge of hair. Now this particular knows hair, but she feels lost when it comes to digital marketing. She has a website, you have YouTube. Most times you should have a backup website, but hasn't updated it in ages. She pays to run search aids, but does not monitor them. She has social media, but only sign in occasionally. It's no surprise that these tools haven't been helping her business much. Okay, let's help her figure out how she could get a handle on her digital marketing. Now about handle, today if you talk about Make Money Speedo, we have a YouTube channel, we have an Instagram account, and then we have a TikTok account, and we are looking forward to changing my brand name on Facebook. Now I couldn't do that because I changed recently to Speedo Music, so it will take 60 days. All right, but whatever you choose as your business name should be what all your social media handles carry. Now this would help. Now setting goals, that's making schedule. What will I do at so time so that it will help my business? I want you to carefully read this thing. It will boost your brain. What are the goals? Is it to boost your channel? Is it to take actions that may involve money? Is it to meet influencer, who and when? What do you mean by meeting? These three things capitalize whether you're going to be successful in business or not. First of all, if you don't take actions, things will never work out for you. Like one of the first actions you should take is creating actually a YouTube account. Now, channel. What are your channel of distribution? Do you have friends? Can you talk to them to help you push a product out? Now, who and when? There are people that have big accounts that can advertise things on. If you talk to them and depending on the time, your product will sell. Okay, they call them influencers. Do you now understand? Before creating a digital marketing plan, it helps to take a good look in the mirror at your brand identity, personality, and audience. Who am I attending to? Now you guys watching this video now actually are the audience. Alright. Now brand identity, what do I do? My personality. Alright. Do you now understand? Why is my brand unique? Now in my own case, it's unique because I teach people how to make money on YouTube. Okay, now attitude also matters. Now next, zero in your target audience. What type of people are you trying to market and sell to? Your type of people watching this video are the type of people I want to market and sell to, because I can sell books to you that will help you develop your knowledge, sell videos to you, and the rest. This is the same thing you should be thinking. What kind of service do you want to render out there? Your location matters. Am I talking to people in Nigeria alone? Am I talking to people in Calabar alone? Or I'm talking to people in the whole world? All these things should be put into consideration. All right. Think about the best place to reach your target audience with your digital market. I prefer students, schools, because they are the one that have the time and knowledge about online businesses concerning YouTube. Now, if you suggest this idea of YouTube to an old elderly person, he will tell you, I don't have time to be creating content. I am actually not feeling. You get me? So the kind of people you work with be vibrant youth who are ready to create content every day and post on YouTube every blessed day. After you have considered your identity and audience, think broad. Now this is where your business expand. Don't just earn in 100. Push it, push it, push it. Pay for promotion. Boosting sales. Yes. Try to sell something. Advertise your product well. So I'm going to leave you to scroll from here. So I'll just be counting 5 in my mind and then exit. Just like that. Now this SEO is very important for Google analysis. And when you understand keywords, use them to your advantage. Do you now understand that you shouldn't be using your Facebook all day, all night to chat friends and ask them what they have eaten? Talk about business for once. Advertise your brand. Talk about what you do for a living. Let it be on your bio. All right. Now, if I want to run ads now for my own kind of niche, I will go and get 1,000 naira and then now get 6,000 naira or 7 or 10 and then show you, do you have 1,000 naira? Do you want to make 10,000 naira in no time? My name is Speedo King. I am a business coach. I teach people how to make money online on YouTube, easy and fast. If you're interested, my fee is $1 per classes, or $1 as the case may be. I'll teach you till clarity. Don't just sit there and do nothing. Seize this advantage while it's still at your feet. Something like that. Now, after people watch the video, they may be interested. Some will pay to join the class and learn. And then by so doing, they will now watch my content regularly and I'm gaining. One way to promote content and work towards other business goals is email marketing. Sorry, you could link to your blog post, send a newsletter, or release information about a sales or special offer. Email should always be useful, timely, and or interesting, and should be sent at a regular pace. Use your other marketing channel to drive sign up for your email list by offering exclusive deals and information. Marketing channels are always connected, so when you are working to update and optimize them, think about your audience moves on one to another, from your social media page to your website. For example, the more your marketing channel is working together, the better. What this one just means is that if you're posting on IG, post on YouTube, post on Facebook, post on WhatsApp, post on Snapchat, post on every blog, everywhere postable, so that whoever finds you, have you here, and does not have you there will still see it. Whoever have you here and does not have you there will still see it. Whoever is connected to you all will see it like 5 times. Do you now understand? Create a schedule. You need a book. That's why I recommend a book for you, so that you write your plans. What will I shoot today? What will I shoot tomorrow? I was able to come up with those playlists, one playlist, two, because they are written down somewhere, so I don't miss what I have to do about YouTube. I just know what the next topic is for today, then I go about it. Recently itself, I discovered there's an app you can use in creating ads. That is, you can create your own advertisement video. All right, so you don't have any issues or any reasons to be broke. Now you need a team. You need people that would help you push this thing forward. Do you have friends? I mean, friends you can call friends. They should help you out. Maybe in acting, so that your brand can sell well. You alone cannot do the acting all the time. Most of the ads you watch that involves showcasing of talents involve 2 or 3 people. So you just need, for a start, they may not be professional actors, but at least they will convey the message well. This is exactly what I'm doing right now, teaching you about my brand, then helping you start up your own brand, your own niche. This is the major purpose. What is your goal and how can you achieve it? It's up to you to walk your channel to victory. All right, that is all I have for today. So please.
So if you found this video useful or helpful, if I'm adding value to your life, please consider subscribing so I can help you with content related to making money on YouTube. I repeat, making money on YouTube and making money online, as well as secret tips to success. I remain your host, Speedo King. Peace.